Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making a tutorial about eSports FC25. As you can see here in the background, I have the game on PlayStation 5, and I'm going to make this tutorial guys to share with you that how actually I got a copy of the game guys for free. So if you want to learn how to do this on your own, it works for any platform guys, then make sure you watch this video to until the end. You're going to be able to understand everything you need to know. So all we have to do is just need to grab your phone on your hand. All right, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know right now. So as I mentioned before guys, you just need the phone in your hand in order to get a copy of the game for free. So basically guys, we're going to get a game code which you can redeem it after in any platform that you play. The phone that you have doesn't matter. It can be iOS, it can be Android. I'm just using iPhone because this is what I use. If you have Android device, it's totally fine because the steps are going to be the same for the whole devices. Okay, so basically guys, I got a game code which I got in my PlayStation 5 after the game. So I'm going to show you how it looks like if you're going to decide also to get it by SMS, because me, I got it by SMS. It looks like this. It says congratulations, task is being completed successfully. This is the game code one time use. I already did it. EA Sports FC25 game code from Wiz Coupons. So basically I went to this site guys, which I'm going to share also the rest of the steps. You have a lot of other things inside guys, you can check later. I'm just going to continue immediately to the searching bar and type the name of the game, and then down below you have different platforms, as you can see. So for all platforms guys, the steps are going to be the same. You just need to choose which one you play. Okay, so I'm just going to continue with PlayStation, but as I mentioned before, the same steps are for the whole platforms. So you just need to press the show coupon option and then unlock the code. So you just need to wait a few seconds that the whole process get complete 100%. One is going to be done. It's going to redirect you guys to another page when it's required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code, which is very simple to do it. You just need to read the instructions guys. Okay, and it says here download the complete two apps below in order to unlock EA Sports FC25 game code, and after completing the task, enter your phone number or email above to receive the code. So basically, as you saw guys, I got it by SMS because I put my phone number. You can put your email if you want. This is on your own choice how do you want to get the code. Okay, but before you go there, you should complete the task required guys. So down below you have this list of the apps, which all of them they are for free, as you can see, and all of them they are for Play Store and App Store. So there is nothing to get worried about. All are from official stores guys. You don't have to do nothing outside official stores. Okay, so what you have to do, you just need to choose two of the apps guys. Make sure you read the instructions because every app have different instructions so you can complete correctly to work properly. Okay, so you don't miss anything. And then one thing you need to keep in mind, you should be a new user only guys, which it means, for example, if you have TikTok already in your device, then you should not do TikTok, otherwise it will not work. You should choose another app which you didn't have it downloaded before in your device. If you don't have TikTok in your device, then you can do this one. It's very simple. It says just to download the app and to run it for 30 seconds. So it's very quick task to do it. Okay, and one thing keep in mind guys, you should not use any VPN or proxy because otherwise we will not consider done as a task. Okay, so me guys, I did FanDuel Sports and Fetch Rewards. That was very simple to do it. So once you're going to choose which you want to do, you just need to press on it. It shows again instruction what you have to do. Tap to install. It will redirect you to App Store and Play Store. Depends on the device you are using. As you can see, to me it took me to App Store, and to me it shows open because I have done it before, but to you it will show the sign of downloading if, for example, you're going to choose this one. Okay, so you need to download it to open it, and this is what was required to FanDuel Sport and to just register. And then the second one, it was Fetch Rewards. Okay, and here it is, Fetch Rewards, also Fetch Rewards. You just tap to install, read the instruction again what is required. It says to register, complete the first receipt scan to unlock, and then it again to redirect to App Store or Play Store, depends device. Okay, to me it was open, as I mentioned before. I did it. So like this guys, after I did both of them, I came here and then I put my phone number, all right, and I submitted. A couple of minutes after, they verified that I did correctly the task, and they just sent me the code, as you can see right over here. So basically this is it guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to enjoy the game also. See you in the next videos. Cheers.